Hi folks, I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics, and this video is to help you prepare for Alyssa's Law, what it means for schools, and how you can capitalize on the opportunity to protect your community's students.
Alyssa's Law was inspired by the tragic passing of Alyssa Al-Hadif after the Marjory Stoneman Douglas school shooting. This legislation is focused on making schools safer by shortening the response time in case of an active shooter. Schools under its effect are required to install a one-touch solution that will dispatch authorities. New Jersey was the first state to ratify Alyssa's Law and states that each public elementary and secondary school building is to be equipped with at least one panic alarm that is directly linked to local law enforcement authorities. There are two major components to this requirement. One must be manually activated to signal a life-threatening or emergency situation requiring a response from law enforcement. Two, directly linked to local law enforcement or suitable location designated by the Superintendent of State Police. Florida, New York, and Nebraska are working on their version of the same law. There is also talk in Washington, D.C. of ratifying the law at a federal level.
Alyssa's Law requires schools to evaluate their panic alarm systems and make adjustments if they do not comply. Hopefully, schools will be able to evaluate and make these changes at a time when school is not in session. Alyssa's Law is still in its beginning stages, but school safety is a top priority. Public schools and local security installers can work together to evaluate existing panic alarm systems before it's required by law. In the description section is a link to New Jersey's version of Alyssa's Law, as well as Make Our Schools Safe, an organization which tracks the progress of Alyssa's Law across the country. I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics. Thanks for watching.